This is Village Auto's 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 quad cab SLT four-wheel drive with a short box. Very clean one owner truck. You have the tow package, bed liner, alloy wheels with 4 brand new Goodyear tires, chrome step bars. Very sharp, well maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $12,515. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a cloth interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. You do have the full power options, fully inside console. Bring this to a 6-passenger truck. AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input. Electronic four-wheel drive switch, auto stick feature, steering wheel info controls. Altogether very clean, very well maintained one owner truck that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 quad cab home with you today.